Experiments Day. Science experiment time. So for today's experiment, we will need a container, water, soap, pepper, and a plate. Now I will pull the water. Very, very carefully. We will add the pepper into the water. Today we will see the important way to wash our hands with soap. Let's pretend that this pepper is germs. Now I'm gonna dip my hand into the water.
Okay, what happened?
There's germs.
Oh, the germs stick into your hand. The germ stays into your finger.
Ano?
The germs stays into your finger. Look at your finger.
The germ stays in your finger.
Let me see. Put it closer. Oh, there.
Now we will pretend our hands. We will wash it with soap.
Okay, now let's pretend that you will wash your hand with soap. So put the soap. Let's see what's gonna happen. So put more. Yung sa taas pa yung nail part. Yun. Now let's see if we dip it into the water, what happens? Oh, the germs move away. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The germs move away from the water. And look at your hands. Did the germs or something stick into your hand? Nothing? Again. Oh, they're moving away. Okay.
I want to do it again.
So that means that whenever you wash your hands with soap, the germs are going away. Isn't it great? So how long do we need to wash our... Yes, 20 seconds. So that is equal to...
Happy birthday song.
For how many times do you need to sing the happy birthday song?
Oh.
2 times.
Now it's time to wash our hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Very good.
Watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.